Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Today we're talking about a cool part, pretty unique and 100% exclusive to the Polaris boost sleds. So this goes all the way back to like 22 when they first came out. Guys that have had them for years know that the wastegate valves, this valve that I'm holding in my hand, this is the wastegate that's on the exhaust pipe. They call it carboned up or seized up and just get a residue built up in them where they'll stick. And then your wastegate doesn't work and then you don't have any boost, so the sled does not run nearly as good as it does when it has boost. So this is a new setup that is built with different materials and has different seals, things like that in it. And it's designed to run with the leaded fuels and be way less likely to have those corrosion issues. You know, a lot of guys, they've figured out when they're winterizing their sleds and stuff just to fog them down or WD-40 spray them, things like that, or working the valves loose. But if you got one that's stuck and need to replace it, this is an upgrade version for you. They retail for $645. It's pretty much the same price as a stock one. It's just a way better piece. But yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, just better technology, different materials, designed to run with the leaded fuel. So you won't have any seizure issues, and it works on the 22 and newer boost sleds. Retail price $645. Check it on the website. Give us a call if you have any questions.